Dev, C and C++. It is free GCC based compiler IDE. Installation setup on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Google search box lo enter dev C++. Enter key press. Scroll down. sourceforge.net dev-c++ download. Second link. Click. SourceForge official web page. Complete display. Left side dev-c++ section lo green color button. Download. Click. Your download will start shortly. 0% process completed. Start downloading process. Download section lo dev-cpp setup.exe file downloading process start. File size 48.1 MB. Wait and here few minutes. Internal features. Dev C++. Process completed. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo setup.exe executable file display. Select mouse double click. Setup.exe window lo first button. Yes, click. Please wait while setup is loading. Download folder minimize. Installer language. Please select a language. Default language English set. Right side down arrow click. Select your convenient language. Default English set. First button OK click. License agreement. GNU General Public License. Application related license agreement info display in box. First button agree. Click. Choose components. Select the type of install. Features. All options default tickmark set. Second button next click. Choose install location. Destination folder. Installation path display in box. Local disk C. Program files newly created folder. dev-cpp. Space required 346.8 MB. Second button install click. Installing. Please wait while dev-c++ installation version 5.11 is being installed. Application related files, executable files, extracting process start. Wait and here few minutes. Completing the dev setup wizard window lo application run. Present left side tick mark set. Finish button click. Desktop shortcut dev C++ icon display. Interface display. Select your language. Section lo number of languages. Country wide. Scroll down. Select your country and convenient language. Default English set. Bottom side next button click. Select your themes. First one font. Interface internal fonts. Default consoles. In case change the another one font, right side down arrow click. Select your convenient font. Second one color. Color interface internal theme. Present white color theme display. Change this theme. Right side down arrow click. Oblivion. Select. Next icons. Interface related. New look. Selected option icons. Preview in middle section. Right side down arrow click. Blue. Set. Bottom side next button click. And OK button click. Dev C++ interface complete display. Create new project C. File menu click. New option select. Sub panel first one. Source file select. Font size increase or decrease. Top section lo menu bar. Tools menu click. Editor options. Third option select. Second one option fonts select. Font size 16. OK click. C program. Simple script. File menu click. Save option. Select. Mouse right click. New option select. Sub panel first one. Folder click. Delete key press. Enter the file name. C++. Files. Enter key press. Select open. Bottom side file name chari. Extension .c. First button save click. Top section lo execute menu click. Third option compile and run click. File compiling to execute output chari tech info. Close. The first icon new click. First option source file select. Enter the C++ simple script. Third icon save icon click. Enter the file name. Delete key press chari tech. Extension .cpp. First button save click. Top section lo compile and run icon click. Compiled output hello world for chari tech info.